Okay, in this meeting, in the second video, we will continue our topic in absolute value inequality. So we will discuss about absolute value inequality. Absolute value inequality. Inequality. Oke, atau kita bisa sebut pertidaksamaan ya. Kita punya ketika persamaan tadi di video pertama sudah dijelaskan dan ada latihan soal juga. Di video kedua kita akan discuss about simple absolute value inequality. Okay, the simple one is the first form when we have ax plus b, the absolute value of ax plus b less than c. Okay, we get the solution is minus c less than ax plus b less than c. Okay, we have ax plus b is from minus c until c. Yeah. Okay. It is all the same when we have greater than or equal here, a less than or equal. So we get less than or equal, less than equal. Okay. So we have this inequalities form, and then if we have ax plus b, the absolute value of ax plus b greater than c, we will get the solution is ax plus b greater than c, or ax plus b less than minus c. And it is also in greater than or equal, greater than or equal. Okay. We have these inequalities. Okay. So move on to example when we have. Okay, for the first example, we have 2x, the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is less than 5. Okay, so we will have the solution. The solution is minus 5 less than 2x minus 3 less than 5. And then it is, we will add with 3 in the three section, three side. Okay, we have minus 5 plus 3. Jadi Umi tambahkan di setiap ruasnya itu plus 3 sehingga Umi punya 2x, 2x minus 3 plus 3 and then 5 plus 3. Okay, so Umi add 3 for our side, our section here. Jadi Umi punya ketiga ruasnya Umi tambahkan dengan 3. Kemudian next we get this minus 2 and this 2x and this 8. Okay, and then we will divide it by 2 in the 3 section here. Jadi Umi ketiga ruasnya Umi bagi dengan 2. Okay, kita punya seperti ini. So we get this, and this is we get the form minus 1 less than x less than 4. So it is the solution, and we will write the solution like this. The solution of the absolute value of 2x minus 3 less than 5 is the set of x in real number when minus 1 less than x less than 4, like this. So it is how to write the solution. We give the side like this, ya. Jadi kita bisa tuliskan dalam bentuk himpunan seperti ini, ya. Nah, jadi ini adalah solusi untuk pertidaksamaan mutlak 2x min 3 sama dengan 5. Oke. Move on to the next example. I think I will give you next example. So I will give you how about the absolute value of 2x minus 3 greater than 1. Okay, greater than 1. So we get two possible solutions. The first one is 2x minus 3 greater than 1, and the second one is 2x minus 3 less than minus 1. Okay, for 2x minus 3 greater than 1, we get 2x greater than 1 plus 3, and then x equal to 4, greater than 2x greater than 4, and x greater than 4 over 2, we get x greater than 2. And from this form, 2x minus 3 less than minus 1, we get 2x less than minus 1 plus 3, and then we get 2x less than 2, and then x less than 2 over 2, we get x less than 1. Okay, so we get this solution when the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is greater than 1. So we get the solution is x greater than 2 or x less than 1. So we get the solution x in real number when x less than 1 or x greater than 2. So it is how to write down the solution. We get this to represent the solution in inequality. Jadi ketika kita mau menyatakan di dalam pertidaksamaan, kita nyatakan dengan x-nya itu dalam himpunan seperti ini. Atau kita boleh pakai syaratnya aja, x lebih dari 2 atau x lebih kurang dari 1. Ini or ya. Jadi untuk kasus ini kita nggak bisa dibuat kayak gini ya. Ini kasus untuk kurang dari, ini kasus untuk lebih dari. Okay, so it is inequality of absolute value inequality, solution of absolute value inequality. So maybe you can take easy with the exercise. I will give you some exercise next, and maybe I will give you one more example of inequality, absolute values inequality. Okay, we will discuss about this form. Okay, I will give you 3x minus 5 divided by 4 less than or equal to 1. Okay, this is only have this. And what can we solve this? The first one, will be minus 1 less than or equal 3x minus 5 over 4 minus less than equal 1, and then I will multiply with 4 in the 3 side. Okay, Umi bakalan to the 3 side Umi multiply to 4. Jadi Umi setiap ruasnya Umi kalikan 4, maka kita punya min 1 kali 4. Kemudian 3x min 5 per 4 dikali 4. Kemudian 1 dikali 4. It is to remove this denominator, yeah. So we get this, and then we have minus 4, 3x minus 5, 4, and then we have 3x minus 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, and then we have 3x less than equal to 9 and greater than equal to 1, and then we divide the three sides with 3 and we get 3x over 3, 1 over 3, and 9 over 3. So we get the solution is 1 over 3 less than or equal x less than equal 3. So this is the solution. Okay, so it is the other example for you about absolute value inequalities. And I will give you some exercise for absolute. This is simple absolute value inequalities. We will have more advanced form, but I'm not talking about that now because I think maybe next meeting we will talk about that. So it is enough for this meeting. We have to simple absolute values inequality. And it is for your exercise in absolute value inequality. The first one I have 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 10. Okay. And then the second one I have the absolute value of 3 minus 2x, okay, greater than or equal to 7. Okay, please do this exercise in your home or in class if the time is available. And you can discuss the exercise with me in class or in outside the class. Okay, maybe enough for this meeting. I give you all of my point. This meeting is about absolute value equation and absolute value inequalities. So please Allah give you His guide to make it easier for you. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, remember to do this exercise and discuss with your friend or with me. Enough for this meeting. Let's close by reciting Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, maybe I will give some explanation for the exercise in other video, yeah, because it is take too long if only share the solution here. So see you in the third video for the solution of this exercise. Okay.